Hello everyone, and today what we're doing is we're doing a Waldorf salad, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to use original vegenaise mayonnaise. We're going to use a cup of walnuts and we're going to roast them. We're also going to include some red delicious grapes and these apples here, these red apples which are trying to run away. And so we're going to show you step by step how to make this. So come in and watch and see how you make a vegan Waldorf salad. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! Okay, so one of the things we're doing is we took a regular silicone pan and we're roasting the walnuts. So we'll give it another additional flavor to our Waldorf salad. Next we're going to be doing is coring the apples. Another step we're doing to be able to prevent these apples from turning brown because they're going to be out for quite a while, we're making acidulated water.
Acidulated water. Water where some sort of acid is added, usually lemon juice, to prevent cut apples from browning to maintain their appearance.
And it's filtered water with lemons in it.
Here's the filtered water. Fill it like 2/3 up and float a couple lemon slices in there. Okay. Or a bunch of lemon slices.
We got these delicious lemons from Nancy. Thanks, Nancy. So the next thing is just to cut up the lemon and put slices in it and they'll be all ready.
And here's putting the lemon into the water.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use this handy-dandy apple corer, and watch this. You just simply kind of put it on top and you push all the way through. Now sometimes what you have to do is you have to use, because it doesn't always cut all the way through, so you just follow the blade side and you make sure that you have your apples. Okay, and you just take the bud out of it. Oops. Or you feed one of them to the dog. Now, as soon as the apples are cut, you put them in the acidulated water. So as you can see, you can't miss it. It's very, very yellow with the lemon in it. And we're going to put in all the pieces in. Now the piece you don't put in is the core. And this you just turn and twist like this and it comes out. We have a bag for that already from the nuts. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing.
And here's the size, the bite size we're making with it.
And this is a bite size for the Waldorf salad. So over here, Linda, what she's done is she's taken all the apples and she cut them into bite-sized pieces. And next what she's doing is she's working on the walnuts. And are you going to break them up in little pieces too?
Yeah.
And she's going to dice them into a small piece, maybe like an 1/8 of an inch or a 1/4 of an inch.
Well, about a quarter.
Okay, about a quarter. So here's her smile, you want to can camera. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, and what I'm doing over here is I'm cutting grapes the long way. And we're going to be putting these in salad also. Delicious salad to bring to any party, or you want to just have something nice and cool and refreshing in your own home. So this is the size of walnuts we're going to be placing in the bowl over here, and then the next step after that is putting in the rest of the grapes and putting in the mayonnaise.
Alright, you want to taste it, honey, and see how you like it?
So don't forget to put in your celery. You'll need about 1 cup. I'll put this away, Linda. So we're using a chef knife. And we're cutting it about, it looks like 1/2 inch. And then we're going to have to pull the salad back out and mix it all in. And Linda's going to lay it on top. You want to try to get some of the celery leaves. You see, it didn't really disturb it that much. Now what we're going to do is grab the top here.
The leaves make it super pretty.
And we just put it back on top. If it doesn't adhere, then you just simply get another piece out of your box. These things have giant 140 feet of it.
And put another on top.
That's what we're going to do. So we're just going to make sure that it seals, then you stick it in your fridge right before you go to your party, which is for us is going to be, what, 15 minutes we have to leave. But this doesn't have to be used for a party. This would also be good for your family. That way you eat a nice healthy salad, and it's vegan. So this ends the rest of our video. Thanks for watching it, and we will be seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.